is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. I know I've been gone for a while, but I've been taking a little bit of personal time for myself. Plus, I haven't really had too many things going on right now, but that's about to change because we're going to jump back into this Chevelle. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take the chassis out from underneath the body. We're going to put it right here in the open part of the garage so that we can disassemble that frame a little bit easier and weld up those body mounts.
Chevelle.
That's right, guys. We're gonna get this engine out, and my 6-year-old daughter is dying to give me a hand. Man, I really hope I hope this camera's picking it up. I've never seen water come out of the tail shaft like that. This car was running and driving when I parked it. Matter of fact, I was able to move it over several times in the driveway before I ripped the body off of it. So I don't know where that came from. I don't know how bad it is, but this is not the transmission that's going to be going in the car. I got a Muncie M21 4-speed that we're going to replace the 3 in the tree with. Let me bring you up to speed. The engine is out. I got it on an engine stand. It's an old engine stand I picked up used. It's real rickety and I don't trust it, so I bought a new one. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble that and switch it over to this one just so I can feel a little safe with it. The reason why there's such a big break in the film here is because the camera died and I did not know it. I had it outside in the cold while I was in here working and I lost the battery on it, and unfortunately, because I had my 6-year-old daughter out here with me, I was paying more attention to her than I really was the camera, and somewhere in between, the battery died. Okay, so this video was shot over multiple days, as you can tell by the change of clothes. But I think this is a really good point to break off. Our next video is going to be welding in the body patch panels that I made at work so that we can get the frame taken care of and put back the way that it needs to be. And then we're gonna proceed to tearing the suspension off the car and, well, basically stripping the frame down. There's a lot of work to do. There's gonna be multiple videos in this series, so I'm trying to keep them nice and small. And having said all that, smash that like button if you like what you saw here today. Subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, I can't wait to see you on the next video.